Okay, 5.8, we have population of insects, and it says determine the number 6 insects at time 0. If I put 0 in there, we get e to the 0, which is 1, which tells us 500, and this is always the starting amount, so 500 insects. That's part A. B, what's the growth rate? With it, well, if it's e to the RT, the growth rate is 2%, 0.02 or 2%. Okay. C, what's the population after 10 days? So if you put 10 in there, you get e to the 2, 0.2, e to the 0.2 times 500, and you'll get the population is 610 or 611 rounded off. And D, it says when will the insect's population reach 800? So now we're going to have 800 equals 500 e to the 0.02 t, and we have to solve for t. So we'll divide by 500, we get 8 fifths equals e to the 0.02 t. Write this as a log equation. That'd be ln of 8 fifths equals 0.02 t. So it's going to be ln of 8 divided by 5. Divide that by 0.02, and we get 23.5. And then E, we want to do when will the insect population double? So then we just got to solve it for 1,000. So if I put 1,000 here, divide by 500, this would be just 2. So we want ln 2 close parenthesis divided by 0.02, and we get 34.65 years or minutes or whatever t was in. T was in days. And that's number 1. And I'll do number 2 here. I just got to do something real quickly. Hang on. Okay, number 2. Number 2, where we've got radioactive decay. What's the decay rate of strontium-90? So that's going to be that again, A, which is a negative, or it's going to decay, if I change it to percentage, 2.44% per hour. Because this is the rate. Okay, and B, B, what is the growth rate of, let's see, no, B. How much strontium-90 is left after 10 years? So we just plug in 10, and it said assume that there was 500 grams to start with. So we're going to have 500 e to the negative point. If we take that times 10, it'll be 0.244, and we get 391. C, when will 400 grams of strontium be left? So we're going to have 400 equals 500 e to the negative 0.0244 t, and we'll divide by the 500, and we get 4 fifths equals e to the negative 0.0244 t. Write it as a log, and that's natural log of 4 fifths, which is 0.8, equals negative 0.244 t. So it's going to be ln, oops, excuse me up there, it's going to be ln 4 divided by 5, close parenthesis, divided by negative 0.0244, and we get 9.1 This was hours, I think. No, years. Oh, 2.44% per year was the first one, because this was in years, T was in years. And D, what is the half-life of strontium-90? So we'd just put 250 there. 250 over 5 would be 1/2, so we'd have to do ln 1/2. ln 0.5 close parenthesis divided by that same negative 0.0244, and we get the half-life of 28.4 years. Okay, I'll let you look at that a little bit because I had it down low. But if you listen to what I said and that, you'll have it.